Alright, it's Red's last day of school today. It is been, it's that time of year to end school. Though he didn't get out at May, this is the day he gets out. So, come on Red, go get in the car. Alright. After Eddie dropped Red off at school. Ugh. Kind bars. Ugh. Alright. Is that empty old guy box I gotta return? So it's game day at work. So I'm gonna bring this game called Monopoly Deal. Alright. I'm gonna teach Red how to play this. Alright guys. Hey sir. Yes? Would you like a game of Monopoly Deal? Yeah, I played this when I was a child. You did? Do you remember how to play? Yeah. Alright, let's get started. I hated when people call me when I'm about to play this with you. I really hate it. Where's that phone? Well, it's not this one for sure. I thought I saw it. Right here. Hello? Oh, hey, Principal Terrence. How are you doing? Yeah, what about him? Oh, is there a cop to speak to? Alright. Put him on the phone. I gotta talk to him about something. Yeah, I know. Red got in trouble, and you're mad about it. Hello, is this a police officer? What happened? What? I'll be there in a minute. Yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Goodbye. Thank you, officer. Looks like I'm gonna have to take these because I might have to be stuck at home with Red again. Oh yeah, what's happening? He bought a fake gun to school. He scared the entire class. Oh, better go home. Yeah. Say, I'm gonna leave this here in case if I can come back. Alright. You mind to keep an eye on it? Sure. Alright. I'm gonna have to go get Red from school, which I hate to get him from school when he gets expelled on the last day. There were like cops, ambulances there. Now they're going now. At least one of my work guys is nice enough to help me get Red to school. Alright, we're here. Alright, where is he? I see him. I see him. Is that the weapon? Yep, that's gotta be it. Alright. Here, give me the weapon. Alright. Unacceptable. What is the matter with you, Red? Why would you bring a fake gun to school? Because it was supposed to be funny. Well, it might have been funny to you, but it's not funny to the school. You made the school go on a lockdown. I don't know how much money I'm gonna have to pay. You just are unacceptable. I am going to hide this from you. This has got to be the worst thing you have ever done. Expelled on last day. I'm afraid you're going to have to repeat your grade. Principal said he'd call me. Unbelievable. Alright, get out of the car. Thank you. Yep. Let's get inside, Red. Ugh. Apparently I am home early with Red.
So I'm kind of just feeling around gently.
Yeah, I know. You said it on the video. Are you available to keep Red home? Yeah, he got suspended on the last day of school for bringing a fake gun. What? He should not have done that? He thought it would be funny. Remind me to go through his backpack next year. Unbelievable, Red. So unbelievable. You're grounded. I'm gonna have to ground you for the entire summer. Now get upstairs. Okay. By the way. You serious, Red? Get up there. Oh. He just stunk me. Gosh, that reeks. Reeks. Well, I'm gonna go back to work and play Monopoly Deal with my boss, and I guess I will see you guys soon. Bye.